guys, so let's talk about tea. And we're gonna go ahead and compare this one to that one, and so that you can decide actually which tea is better for you. So product number one is actually this Pukka Supreme Matcha Green Tea. This is considered a green tea, a matcha tea. I really love this when I need a good kickstart in the morning. It kind of gives you a little bit of a power up if you're, not really a coffee drinker. And I like the fact that it has green tea and matcha. Now, this does have a very slightly bitter taste to it. As you can see, it's just kind of in a little tea bag, just like this. But it does have a slightly bitter taste. And so you actually have you have to acquire a good taste for this. Acquire your taste buds to be able to actually not drink it, but to be able to enjoy this type of tea, okay? The next one is going to be this Tazo Awake English Breakfast. This is product number 2. Now, this is a breakfast style tea just as much as this matcha green tea. And this actually has a very rich and bold flavor. It kind of gives me a very good calm start to my day. It's not overpowering, but it is going to give you kind of a good bold flavor. And again, same little package. This one's actually going to be a little bit bigger than this one. Just to go ahead and show you. You can see it's just a tiny, tiny bit. I mean, it almost looks identical, but it is a tiny bit bigger. But anyway, this one's going to actually give you a black tea flavor. So if you're used to drinking just regular tea, this is actually going to work really, really well for you. It's going to give you that kind of that dark tea flavor. As compared to this one, it's going to be a little bit more of a green tea. It's going to be lighter, but it will kind of give you that boost of energy that you're needing rather than drinking coffee in the morning. So hopefully this will help you to decide as to which one is best for you. Personally, I drink both and I like both of them, and perhaps maybe that's exactly what you will do as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a great day.